changing the bucket on the JCB. That's how quick she comes off, and would certainly give you a black toenail.
But the other bucket is down.
So we'll go down and collect the other bucket. Some of my hay bales have fallen down as well. Don't know how that's happened. Maybe the cats did it. Fumes are not nice. Bucket's been left in there. And it's as easy as that, when you know what you're doing. When you don't know what you're doing, like when we first got it, didn't have a clue. And YouTube was of no use to me whatsoever. So, there you have it, changing the bucket on the JCB. And now we're off to rescue the village water supply. See you later. Over now for now.